Respected Muslim crowd, may Allah peace be upon you, thy all. I am speaking Muhammad Noor Islam from the Sylhet in Bangladesh. Envious politics is always avoided. Muslim representative leadership is always accepted. We have to save the tradition of our great independence. We have got independent Bangladesh by our great European fighters. There is being gun up, theft, extortion, and hijacking murder day by day in Bangladesh. The administration is being failed to control all crimes and corruption in Bangladesh. Interval government should take a necessary action on rapid operation policy to humiliate scandal, politics, and terrorism in Bangladesh. We will have to rescue our lost democracy. Bangladesh is our spirit. Bangladesh is our pride. We are the Urus Bengali all over the country. We have to protect the image of our great independence. We will have to stand against the Al-Badr and Razakar groups of this Bangladesh. They are making scandal policy through dreams of our greatest independence. I remember the contribution father of the Bengali nation, late President Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. I remember the contribution late President Ziaur Rahman. They were greatest hero in Bangladesh. We have got Bangladesh upon their contribution. Nobody would disbelieve their contribution. Sunni Muslim crowd, good citizen of Bangladesh, quickly calm down to save the holy sign of Awliya Allah, to save the graves of our freedom fighters of this Bangladesh. Because Al-Badr and Razakars are Shams, they are making scandal plan to damage their holy graves, the holy signs of Awliya Allah in Bangladesh. Sunni Muslim crowd quickly get down to save the holy sign. Imam Sher Bangla Sayyid Azizul Haq Al-Qadri, may Allah bless be upon him. This holy sign is situated at Azari in Chattogram. Sunni Muslim crowd quickly calm down to save the holy shrine. Imam Sher Ghazi Akbar Ali Rizvi Sunni Al-Qadri, may Allah bless be upon him. This holy sign is situated Netrokona in Momeshing. Respected Sunni Muslim crowd, quickly calm down to protect the holy sign. Imam Ahl Sunnah Sayyid Abu Nasr Muhammad Abishal Madani, may Allah bless be upon him. His holy sign is situated Darra Mujaddad Nagar, Chatpur. Particularly, we have to protect Majbandar Darbar, Sarsina Darbar, even all Sunni Darbar of Bangladesh. We have to save them. The enemies of the Prophet, the enemies of Awliya Allah, they are making scandal plan to damage and break down the holy sign of Awliya Allah. There is being committed last night. There was committed last night at Hatazar in Chattogram. The Wahhabi groups, Al-Badr and Razakar Shams groups, the Al-Khawarij group, they are attacking the holy sign of Awliya Allah. I respect all Sunni ulama of this Bangladesh, all Sunni Muslim crowd of this Bangladesh. Quickly come down to save the holy sign of Awliya Allah of this Bangladesh, because we have got Islam by Awliya Allah. Their contribution and spiritual activities were extraordinary. Nobody was disbelieved. Ahle Vedat is always avoided. Ahle Sunnat is always accepted. Thanks everyone to follow my video.